Danagogo, thank you. Thank you. You are the head of the governance. I know when you are in Abuja, we trust you, and I know you can perform, and you have been performing. Please, go ahead and don't let us down. To the traditional rulers, please keep to our tradition so that our tradition will go right. Thank you so much. Mr. Governor, I'm humble. Thank you so much. Raising this wonderful occasion. And my dear sister, my friend, Professor Ngozi Odo, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, thank you also for coming. And the former Governor of Rivers State that is here, permit me to specially recognize the former Deputy Governor, Speaker, the only Speaker, the authentic Speaker. The Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly that is here with us. Permit me to specially recognize the dignitaries. Osinopara is here, Abiye Sekebo is here, and Secondos is also here. There are so many that are here, that I can see, Limaba, and the rest of them. Permit me to also recognize the former members of Rivers State House of Assembly, members of Rivers State Executive Council, and Abonoma, you are great. Secretary to Government is your own, and Commissioner for Finance is also given to you. Planning is also given to you. So we have reason to praise the Governor of Rivers State. Thank you so much. Thank you. You have made us proud. And our hosts, you are not left out. The Secretary to the state government, my beloved son, he was a minister during my husband's regime, Minister for Sports, a humble man, a quiet man, a man that you can trust, a man that you can believe in. Just give him a walk and go and sleep. He will perform and perform very well. Tammy Dr Danagogo and his amiable wife and the members of the family, the children, thank you people for bringing all of us here together. And permit me to also recognize the Amanyana of Abonima Bob Marwell that is here, His Royal Majesty. Thank you people for hosting us here today. And the Amanyana, the Alabos and the elders, the Chief Council, please, you are quite recognized. We are humble. We are very humble. And my bishop is here. I saw him from far, Bishop Oko-Jumbo, that is here with us, Anglican Communion. And permit me to recognize the primate Nemi Fanface that is also here with us. Thank you for hosting us today. And other bishops that are here that I can call one by one. And permit me to also recognize the angels, that's the choristers that are here with us. Thank you so much. So there is no too much. My governor is here to cover up all of us. I'm supposed not to talk when he is here. So I will humble, give him the microphone to speak on behalf of all of us.